Welcome to New Tech Reviews.
Hello again, this is Peter Chaldron from New Tech Reviews. I just want to look at briefly look at this really outstanding product from Dawud Islam and Jeremiah. It is such a useful product. It's called Mega Mailout, and it's a way of sending vast number of emails. Even if you don't have a list of your own, you're using Dawud Islam's established contacts. It's really, really great with some upsells on it. And a whole bunch of bonuses. The tutorials and the bonus as well. A couple of good tutorials in there. But any product coming from Dawud Islam's stable is well worth investigating. And I really seriously suggest you investigate this one. I think it is going to be so useful to myself and to other people that are needing to mail to many people and don't as yet have a huge mail list themselves. Okay, that's all I've got to say about it. Have a look at it yourself. Follow the links below this video and you will be able to discover more about the product, look at the sales page, hear what Dawud Islam has to say about it. It's always interesting listening to what he has to say. All the best and see you later.
Hi everyone, just a very quick demo of the members area of Mega Mailout, just to show you how easy this is really, folks. You just log into the members area here, watch this short introduction from me and also from Jeremiah, my launch partner, and then we go straight into an overview explaining how this works. And then we're going to set up our Mega Mail. So this is basically just instructions on how best to structure your email before sending it out to those 35,000 members across various of my email lists, including members of my Make Money Online websites. We just tell you exactly how to submit those mails so we can get them sent out for you as quickly as possible. And then we've got an introduction to some additional training so that you can learn how you can also email out up to 500,000 people each and every day using the additional training that we show you inside Mega Mailout. It really is as simple as that, folks. It's a straightforward product. It is going to massively transform your email marketing results, and it is absolutely superb for someone that doesn't currently have an email list or else has a very small or unresponsive email list. So do pick up a copy of Mega Mailout, and myself and Jeremiah will see you inside the members area very shortly.
For more New Tech Reviews, press subscribe.